Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the battery on a Mercedes-Benz GLE 300. First, prioritize safety by ensuring your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly set. Always wear safety glasses and protective gloves when working with batteries. You will need a 10mm wrench for the terminals and a T45 Torx bit for the battery hold-down clamp. To access the battery, open your hood and carefully remove the plastic cowling. Next, you'll need to detach the cabin air filter housing, which sits directly above the battery. Once the battery is visible, use your 10mm wrench to loosen and remove the negative terminal first. Always disconnect the negative terminal before the positive to prevent electrical shorts. Then, proceed to disconnect the positive terminal. With both terminals disconnected, unclip the small vent tube from the side of the old battery. Now, use your T45 Torx bit to loosen the battery hold-down clamp, allowing you to remove it. Carefully lift the old battery out of its tray. Remember, batteries are heavy. Place your new battery into the tray, ensuring it sits correctly, and then secure it firmly with the hold-down clamp. Now, reattach the vent tube to the side of your new battery. When reconnecting, always attach the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. Ensure both connections are tight and secure. Finally, reinstall the cabin air filter housing and the plastic cowling. Close the hood, then start your engine to confirm the new battery is working correctly and your vehicle powers on smoothly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.